Hi everyone, welcome to 48 Frames Company. It's been a really long time since I had an interaction with you all. We are really happy with the kind of response we have received for the success story segment. It is an achievement for us, hearing from a lot of people say that, they have started following their passion because they have seen people follow their heart and make it a reality. So this is something that we are extremely proud that we started this initiative, and a lot of people have been influenced by this. So my heartful thanks to all of you all. I should acknowledge your love that you're sharing to 48 Frames Company and our team here. So today I have yet another announcement. As you all know, during this lockdown, there are a lot of issues people face psychologically, and still a lot of people are working from home. So while they're working from home, they're not able to give the 100%, as in a lot of corporates approached us telling that they really need an employee engagement program or an employee welfare program because their employees are not like before. So while we started doing that, we got an opportunity to affiliate with an organization called Auri, who came up with an idea to start doing certificate programs, especially for the HR teams or the people who are interested in being a part of HR team. So we have plans for various certification programs in the future, but the first one that I would like to say is a 5-day certificate program in employee counseling. So this training is conducted by certified psychologists from our team who have maybe more than 10 years of experience. Minimum is 10 years of experience in the corporate world, and the topics that they would be touching upon, or rather we would be touching upon, is on how you need to counsel the employees in various situations. Let it be absenteeism, let it be behavioral or personal issues. So we all know the importance of employee counseling, but since most of them in the HR team are not trained in doing the exact counseling, this certificate program is a training that is going to be given by certified psychologists and who have been in the corporate world. So we would be touching upon these points and about the ethics that needs to be followed. How do you build the interpersonal communication? How do you manage the employee issues? And how do you bring in that employee welfare in the organization? So both students and employees can register for the program. We will be giving a 30-day support as well, wherein we will be sharing materials, we will be discussing about the topics that is post completion of the 5-day program. Now the registrations are open. If this is of any interest to you, you can click on the link that is given below to register. You will get the details, whatever that you need regarding the course once you register there. Or if you want to call in and ask, there are 2 numbers that will be displayed below. You can always contact those 2 numbers. Any one of us will respond and give you the details. So this is about the first certification program that we are coming up with. All the certificate programs are given by licensed people who are from their area of expertise. So you can register with us whenever we have more courses coming in, but for now the first course is on employee counseling. So please do have a look at it. You can register if it is an area of interest for you all. So this is what I want to tell you all today. I will be coming up with more certifications and more success stories exclusively for you all. Thank you so much for your support, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed to us. Thank you so much for joining in.